Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video. I hope while watching this video you are at your home with your loved ones and taking care of your loved one in your family. And today we will talk about very interesting topic in our bartending which we usually don't talk about that topic, and which is water. Which is water, right? Yeah. So we usually don't talk a lot about the water in our bartending, like, because yes, I know a lot of bars, they do a good quality of ice, a very good quality of ice. So my whole concern is, guys, if we think about the quality of ice in our drinks, why don't we think about the quality of mixers what we use in our drinks? It's with mezcal, or it's with gin, or it's with whiskey, whatever the mixer for our drink it is, because we need to make sure, because your drink is just one part, is 1/4, and little bit of ice, and half of the portion, or three part is your mixer. So guys, it's again very serious. We need to think about that, because it can totally change your drink. So today we will be speaking about what kind of quality of water we use at Franklin and Sons. Like most of you know, we use the natural spring water. Again, natural spring water from Staffordshire with Franklin and Sons. And of course, for the soda water we use from Highland. Again, spring water is one of the purest form in for the water, because spring water does have a more natural minerals in that, of course, and it is one of the purest form, and it does have a more oxygen than the regular water, and of course because of that it's more healthful, and because it does have a more oxygen, it totally change your drinking experience when you drink it. Because since I mentioned, because spring water never tastes flat or boiled, and because of that we get an amazing drinking experience. Okay, so about the spring water, so with the Franklin Sons, again I'm repeating it again and again, sorry, that we use the natural spring water from the Staffordshire, and this helps us in ensuring two of the different things. It helps us to ensure two things, which is about the region and the purity of water, because the purity of water remains constant throughout the years, because we use only one source for our water, right? So it's the same water, guys, what we are using from so many years in our drink. And now let me explain you how this is different. So a lot of brands, they use RO treated water, or some brands, they pronounce them, this is a carbonated water, which is again different than the spring water. Now with the RO treated or the carbonated water, the problem with them is those water undergoes significant amount of clarification, like when they use the purification, right? So it goes many times under the different process, and because of that they all lose their natural the natural minerals because of that water. And when it comes to spring water, we don't have to distill it many of times, so we just have to distill it once, and then we get our water. From RO treated water and carbonated water is different, and in the spring water we don't have to distill it more of the time, so we get the normal water, a good quality of water with the natural minerals in our drink, soft beverages. Okay, now the second point, the natural spring water from Staffordshire is so pure that shelf life, now I repeat, the shelf life of the product is for 24 months. Now let me give you an example, very small example. A lot of international beer brands, they have a shelf life of 24 months, 1 year, 18 months. It depends on a different company to different, but why it happens, it's because of the quality of water they use, right? And you take an example of a domestic beer company, they have a shelf life of 6 months, maybe 9 months, maybe some beer brand maybe a maximum of for 1 year. I don't remember if someone does have a shelf life for 1 year, any domestic brand. So same, because of the good quality of water, we does have a shelf life of 24 months. So again, it is very important. Good quality of water, you have a great life for your product. The third point, very important point, is the importance of tonic water carries the same weight around the world today as Scotch. For example, the Japanese and the Scotch whiskey does, right? Because Japan and Scotland makes a very good quality of whiskies. Now, many countries they does make a good whiskies, but why only the Japan and Scotland are famous? Maybe I guess it's because of their quality of water, it's because of their environment, their surrounding, their landscapes, right? So of course, a good quality of ingredient it does matter a lot in your drink. Now, for example, if you are getting a good quality of premium spirit and then you are mixing a normal tonic water or any mixer in your drink, it doesn't make any sense because it's going to kill the taste of your premium spirits and it's going to kill the taste of your amazing drink. So again, if you are having a premium spirit, always go for the good quality of mixer to go with along with it. If it's gin or maybe it's tequila or mezcal or whiskey, if you're going for the tonic water, think about what quality of water they are using, what quality of quinine they are using, what quality of sugar they are using, and the process to make their tonic waters. But it's very important. Like if they are having a good quality of quinine and all, but 99% is your water. So again, the water is very, very, very important. And whiskey, since we was talking about the Japanese whiskey and Scottish whiskey, similar rules applies for the tonic waters. While in tonic waters, while the ingredients such as quinine and sugar are very important, and type of water matters significantly, because as a bartender or a consumer, it is very important to look at these fine points, like what quality of ingredient or what quality of water they are using. And especially since many people undergoes the impression that tonic water is just the carbonation, water and sugar. No, which is but which is in constant to now, like a best bartender will always think about the quality of water they are using. And in Franklin and Sons, if you will look in the front only, we do mention that what quality of water we are using very good quality of the natural spring water. With the Franklin and Sons, again I mention, because let me tell you again, if you are using a good with Franklin and Sons, the spring water from Staffordshire helps, because again it helps up to open up the pure form of your spirit. Okay, because your spirit does contain a pure and contains the right minerals, right? And to ensure the taste of the spirit shines gracefully. So again, it's good quality of water in your tonic waters are very important. Now, because let's say example, imagine using a complex spirit with with water, and that is high in and that water is high in chemical content. It will surely mask the taste of your drink. Okay, in many ways, most of the companies they use a lot of different fancy words, but it's your guys to need to make sure that what quality of water they are using for their tonic waters or their soda or their ginger beer or ginger ale or different beverages. So that's what we need to make sure, because they're usually the source of their soft beverages are usually RO treated or carbonated water. So whenever you buy a new product, guys, make sure you just look at the quality of water what they are using. And in Franklin and Sons, we clearly do mention very proudly that what kind of quality of water we are using. So guys, again, this video was about the quality of water, and I hope you will, whenever you buy the product next time, you will be surely checking out the what quality of water they are using on their tonic water or soda or soft or different beverages, non-alcoholic or whatever it is. But I hope, guys, you will be making sure whenever you buy the next time a product about that, you will always think about the quality of water. And I hope you are safe and at your home, and we are strong and we will overcome this, because what's this corona. Yes, we will overcome this. So guys, I see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay home, keep spreading that positive energy all around the world, because we are the full of positive energy. And until then, see you.